Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss physical, chemical, biological nature of protoplasm. In this we are going to discuss MCQs for NEET, CTET, PCS, TGT, entrance and all exams, PGT entrance. So let's start. A smell in protoplasm is like. So the smell in protoplasm is like ammonia, SO2, none. So the correct option is none. In the solution of true particle size of solute is 0.001 micron, 0.1 to 0.1 micron, less than 0.001 micron or more than 0.1 micron. So the correct option is less than 0.001 micron. Question number 3 is, so here less than 0.001 micron. In a sole type of colloidal solution, dispersion phase is solid, liquid or gas. So the correct option is liquid. Trace element is iron, zinc or sodium. The correct option is zinc. Zinc is a trace element in cells. Calcium is necessary for muscle contraction, blood clotting or both. So the correct option is both. Question number 6. Which element is found in eukaryotic cell? Calcium, phosphorus or sulfur. Here it is most abundantly found in eukaryotic cell. So the correct option is calcium. Which element is abundant outside the animal cell? So the sodium, potassium or iron. So the correct option is sodium. Outside we have sodium more and inside we have potassium more. The term protoplasm is given by Purkinje, Schultz or Sutton. The correct option is Purkinje. Next slide. Which element is found in hemoglobin and myoglobin? Iron, copper, manganese. So correct option is iron. You all know hemoglobin has iron. Which of the following type of water is found in protoplasm? Free form, bound form or crystal form? So the correct option is free form. Now, what is the function of trace element occur in protoplasm? Formation of enzyme, formation of hormone or formation of hemoglobin? So the correct option is formation of enzyme. Hormone, enzyme, vitamin are included in same group of biochemicals. So regulate oxidative metabolism, composed of proteins or regulate metabolism. The correct option is regulate metabolism. So we move on to the next slide. Question number 13. Interchange of plasmosol and plasma gel is biochemical process and chemical process. The correct option is physiochemical phenomena and it is. Next, question number 14. Inside the cell as compared to outside we have. Now this asks inside the cell. More sodium, more potassium or more efflux. So the correct option is more potassium. Percentage of water in animal body 55, 65 or 75. The correct option is 65% we have. Water is important for animal body in keeping body cool, working as solvent or both. Most of the student is here they tick both, but the correct option is working as solvent is the correct option. Keeping body cool is not the function of water. Describing decreasing order of organic compound in protoplasm is So we have to find the decreasing order of organic compound in a cell. Protein, lipid, nucleic acid and vitamin. Protein, lipid, carbohydrate, nucleic acid. Carbohydrate, lipid, nucleic acid and vitamin. Here the correct option is protein, lipid, carbohydrate, nucleic acid. Who proposed the name sarcode for protoplasm? So the option are Dudargin or cells. So the correct option is Dudargin. Yes, it's correct. Dudargin. Which theory is most acceptable for protoplasm? Granular theory, reticular theory or colloidal theory? So the correct option is colloidal theory. Which element occur more in bones? Calcium and phosphorus, calcium and iron, calcium and magnesium. The correct option is calcium and phosphorus. Which of the following occur in maximum concentration in blood? ECF, sodium, iron plus 2 or potassium plus. So we have in blood plasma, sodium is more and not iron. It's sodium plus 2 is more in blood plasma. Saline solution is given to chlorella patient. Chlorella is a disease and in which saline solution is given to the patients. So what the saline solution do in the body? Sodium prevents water loss from the body. NaCl function as regulatory material. NaCl provide energy. Here the correct option is sodium plus prevents in water the NaCl disintegrate in sodium plus and Cl minus. Here when NaCl react with water, this is NaCl. Just a minute, I'll just show you what happened. NaCl and this disintegrate in Na positive and Cl negative. So in saline solution this Na positive is present and this is going to in H2O. When it reacts with H2O, sodium plus and Cl minus is released. NaCl is disintegrated in these two ions and sodium prevents the water loss in the body. Which element is found in the center of pore firing ring? Where is pore firing ring is present? Pore firing ring, I just tell you. Pore firing ring is present in chlorophyll, plastid, chlorophyll where chloroplast, in chloroplast chlorophyll is present. So in chlorophyll molecule 4 pore firing rings are present and in the center there is magnesium is present. Here these are the 4 pore firing ring and like this these are the 4 pore firing rings and in center there is a magnesium. So the correct option, you can also just a minute, I just erase that all. So, hope so you are understanding well. So we can take a highlighter for that, for the options. So the correct option is magnesium. Major role of minor element inside the cell. जो minor elements होते हैं, those which are minor elements, or we can say trace element, minor element, trace element in the living cell, what can they do? Cofactor of enzyme, constituent of hormone or binder of the cell. So the correct option is cofactor. These are the work as cofactor. These are work as cofactor of enzymes. Next, thank you. These are the 24 questions we have discussed now, and going soon we discuss more and more questions. Thank you so much. Please like and share my video. Thank you.